First, we'll try the empty lab 06 dot empty dot json. So the file is empty. Now we'll try lab 06 dot trivial dot json. So we're looking for trivial. They found it and they give me the time. Now we'll try again the lab 06 dot trivial.json, not find it, something, okay, not find it, and the time. Now I'll use the big file lab 06.countries.json. What I'm looking for Canada, so it's the same time than the trivial. Now I'll use another lab.06.countries.json. Now looking for United States without of America, so it's not in the file, but the performance is still almost the same. So because the number of interactions is almost the same, because the advanced search here is the same.